Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Surya Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 7th General Knowledge Part 6. Festivals and events in the world. So first, in Japan, powdered green tea is ceremony prepared by skilled practitioner and served to the guest. This ceremony includes the proper way to take tea and sweets and general department in the room. Name it this ceremony. The name of this ceremony, answer is tea ceremony Japan. Means in Japan, powdered green tea is ceremonially prepared by skilled practitioner and served to the guest. This ceremony includes the proper way to take tea and sweets and general department in the room. Name this ceremony tea ceremony. Answer is tea ceremony. Question number 2. In Brazil, an annual celebration is held 40 days before Easter. A fat man is elected as a Rei Mojmo, the king who has a lot of fun in the function. This event is called, the name of this event, the Brazilian Carnival. The name of this event, the Brazilian Carnival. Question number 3. It is a festival of France and is celebrated in October, November in southern France. Teams from different countries come here to fly their colorful, amazing kites. Artists, scientists, and athletes also gather to show their talent in the festival. The festival is called, the name of this festival, Festival of Wind in France. You have to figure out this. Question number 4. In Thailand, this festival is held for 3 days in February. The city is abounds with thousands of flowers. There are dancing and beauty contest is the show. The festival is called, means this festival is related to the Thailand, and 3 days in February. The name of this festival, Flower Festival Thailand. Here, the Flower Festival of Thailand. Question number 5. China, as the temperature goes down, urban cities celebrate the frosty weather. Different countries take part in the festival. They hold ice sculptures, making competition. The festival is called. Means this festival, when temperature goes down, and different countries take part in this festival and make sculpture competition. The name of this festival, Ice and Snow Festival, China. Here, Ice and Snow Festival of China. Alternate source of energy. First, a machine which converts its energy to electricity. It does not cause any pollution, but the electricity produced is not much. Means this device can convert energy to electricity and does not produce any pollution. The name of this machine, windmill using wind energy. Means windmill using produce wind energy. Question number 2. The energy in this case is produced from waste. The energy in this case is produced from waste. It is renewable, but pollution problem exists. The name of this energy, biogas. Biogas energy is produced from the waste. Question number 3. A dam built on river uses force of water to produce electricity. A dam built on river uses force to water to produce electricity. Answer is hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity. Question number 4. Special cell converts this limitless supply of energy into electricity. It is renewable and causes no pollution. Means special cells convert this limitless supply of energy into electricity. The name of this energy is solar cell or solar energy. Question number 5th. This energy produced by means of splitting of teeny atoms. Large amount of electricity can be produced. Safe disposal of the spent fuel is a problem. This energy produced by means of splitting of teeny atoms, small atoms. The name of this energy, nuclear fusion, nuclear energy, या atomic energy. Question number 6. Energy obtained by nuclear fusion join atom together, it is not successful. The name of this energy, fusion, या hydrogen bomb. Question number 7. Water rises and falls in the sea. This force of water can be used to produce electricity. 2 units are already exist in the world. The name of this energy, tides energy, which are produced when water rise down in the sea waves. Question number 8. Energy is produced in fuel cell by combining 2 gases to produce water. Still under trial, name this fuel used. Hydrogen. Hydrogen used when you combine 2 gases and water to produce energy. Hydrogen. Future computers. Every day new gadgets are flown in the market. Technology is growing very fast. The computers now have many amazing tasks to perform. They are helping in each and every field. Now, here are some points related to a computer which are beneficial for us. Future computers will be programmed to do tasks very difficult for humans. Means future computer can perform a task which are difficult for human. Next point, robots working on new computer technology will accomplish space flight application easily. Means in a future, now present time also, robots perform some work which create a new technology and perform work. Next point, phone call will be answered in future by the artificial technology of computer with human hand. Phone cell. Phone call will answer means when you are call anyone, phone also give a message. Means your phone not received, then you give a message for a particular person. Next point, lifestyle will improve drastically. Your lifestyle is improved in the future time. Next, with the advent of nanotechnology, things will be manipulated at micro. Means when nanotechnology develop, then you manipulate every work in micro. Next point, remote education will be more advanced. Means when you use a computer, remote education advanced now present time, just like you online classes. Next point, emergency response will be activated by the use of environmental data in. Means emergency response. When you have any problem, you can click and further message move a particular person for emergency message. Next one, computers creating natural and man-made disaster stimulus. Natural and man-made disasters. Computer find out where is storm, when at any time. So it can easy way to find out. Next, the radars will be able to see data more clearly due to high resolution screen. When high resolution screen is developed, like in your mobile, then you can easy way to read and see your data clearly. In this, all these things, the futures computers advantage. Symbiosis. Symbiosis is a condition where animal with plants or with other types of animal from a types of cooperation of living together and both are benefited by it. Means symbiosis means condition where all types of animal, plant and other types of animal live together and both are benefited with the help of each other. Here first, it's like lichens. Here an algae and fungus live together. Both are benefited when you live. Second, honeybees and butterflies feed on flowers. They get nectar. How is the flowers benefited? Means here honeybee and butterfly feed on flower, suck the nectar from the flower. But what is the benefit of flower? The honeybee and butterflies are reproduce, spreading pollen from flower. Means they can spread pollen from flower and growth new flower. This is the benefit of flower. Question number 3. Sea anemones have poisonous tentacles. Cloned fish live in these tentacles which do not harm the cloned fish. Cloned fish get a safer home to live under the tentacles. But then how does the sea anemones get advantage? Means sea anemones have poisonous tentacles, but clone fish live in these tentacles and they cannot harm the clone fish. What is the benefit of sea anemones? The clone fish clean the tentacles of anemones. Means tentacles means just like a moose. Means clone fish clean the tentacles of anemones. Anemones when you eat any flesh of meat, then clone fish clean the tentacles of anemones. Question 4. Bird eat insect from the bodies of bigger animals like buffaloes, giraffe, etc. The bird get food. What is the benefit to bigger animal? Means bird eat insect from the bodies of the bigger animal like buffaloes, giraffe. Birds get food. What is the benefit of bigger animal? Birds eat insect from the body of big animal and clean them. Means animals eat the insect from the big animal and clean them. 5th, acacia tree has large hollow thorns where acacia ants lives comfortably. They protect the tree from the other insect, but what do they get from the tree? Means acacia tree have large hollow thorn where acacia ants live comfortably and ants protect them from other insects. So what is the benefit of ants? Tree provides shelter to ant. The benefit of ant, tree provides shelter to ants. Question number 6. Many small fish clean the mouth of bigger fish. The bigger fish get rid of pets, and what does the small cleaner fish get? The small cleaner fish get from big fish, and small fish get food from big fish. When we are clean the bigger fish mouth. Biofuel, the non-renewable source of energy. Petroleum and diesel are also termed as fossil fuels as they are obtained from the fossils of plants and animals. They were obtained by their decomposition over millions of years. They are therefore also called non-renewable. Means such type of energy source non-renewable. It can create over millions of years. So biofuel are made each day from growing plant through chemical reaction, fermentations, etc. These products are given below. Read the description and answer. First, when organic matter, plant, animal, wood, shavings, vegetables, peels are burned, lot of heat is produced. This heat can be used to make electricity. The name of this renewable sources, biomass. Biomass produce electricity through plants, animal, woods, vegetables, and burn a lot of produce heat. Question number 2. It is produced from animal, air, plant, waste, or both. This gas is wonderful alternative to natural gas. The name of this gas, biogas. Here, if biogas produced. Question number 3. This fuel is made up of vegetable oils, fats, other greases. Palm oil have been widely used as a biofuel. This can be used to along with fossil fuels independently. The name of this, biodiesel. Question number 4. This biofuel is made up of sugar found in corn, barley, and other types of organisms. It can also be produced from potato skin, sugar cane, rice, and other source of energy. The name of ethanol. Thank you. If you have faced any problem, call me by number 8840156170. Your homework, write in copy and learn them. Thank you.